Hey, Chef Perry here again from ChefPerryPerkins.com and the My Kitchen Outreach Program. I'm a third-generation chef, culinary instructor, and author of the Home Chef series, and I'm here to help you create amazing, simple, and affordable dishes for your family. Oh, baby, Hangtown Fry. If a better breakfast ever existed, God kept it for himself. Legend has it that this wonderful combination of eggs, bacon, and oysters was invented when a gold rush prospector struck it rich, headed to the Carey House Hotel in Hangtown, California, which is now Placerville, and demanded the most expensive dish that the kitchen could provide. The most expensive ingredients available were eggs, which were delicate and had to be carefully brought to the mining town, bacon, which was shipped from the East Coast, and oysters, which had to be brought on ice from San Francisco. Don't worry about scribbling down all of these ingredients. We'll go ahead and put this slide back up again at the end of the video. Chop and fry your bacon until it's as crisp as you like. I like to use a thin sliced applewood smoked bacon as it gets really crispy, but thick sliced bacon would probably be more traditional. When cooked, drain the bacon on some paper towels and add a couple of tablespoons of butter to the pan. While that's melting, dredge your small or extra small oysters in a seasoned flour with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I like to toss it all in a plastic bag as it makes for a more even coating and a really easy cleanup. Next, add your fresh oysters to the bag and give it a few more tosses. Lay the floured oysters out and then let them sit for a few minutes to let that coating really set up. Fry the oysters over medium heat until they're cooked to your liking. If you're unsure about the joy of eating oysters, cook them a little longer for a firmer texture. If, like me, you're an oyster junkie, go ahead and get them just lightly brown. When cooked, add your fried oysters to the paper towels to drain. Lightly beat 4 or 5 chicken eggs, or 2 duck eggs, with a little salt and pepper and add them to the pan over medium-low heat. As the egg cooks, gently move it around the pan, slowly beginning to fold it in on itself. A classic French omelet has no brown at all, but I like mine with a little more of that fried egg flavor, so I cook them a bit longer. Totally up to you. Before your eggs are completely cooked through, you want to fold your omelet. This way the final cooking creates a single thick, fluffy layer and not 2 thin ones. I like to tri-fold my omelets as it makes them a little thicker, but the standard single fold works just fine as well. And of course, a quick flip just to wow the audience never hurts either. Go ahead and add the chopped bacon back into the pan to warm up, and then plate the omelet, topped with the fried oysters, cover it all with bacon, and maybe a little fresh chopped Italian parsley, and enjoy. Good old-fashioned Hangtown Fry, and you didn't even have to bring your own shovel. This is just one of the amazing recipes you'll find in my bacon guidebook for the home chef. Speaking of which, thanks for joining me again, and be sure to pick up a copy of my book, The Home Chef: Transforming the American Kitchen. It's full of professional chef tips and tricks for taking your cooking to the next level at home. See you next time. This is Chef Perry.